In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML or embed code in Wix. If you want to place custom HTML or bring in content from another service with an iframe, this is the built-in way to do it inside the Wix editor. Before you begin, make sure your site is on a paid plan. Wix requires a paid plan for this feature to work properly on your live site, so upgrade first if you haven't already. Once that's set, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left side of the editor, click the Add button, the one with the plus icon. From the menu that opens, choose Embed, then select Embed a widget or HTML iframe. This places an embed element onto your page. You'll see a placeholder box appear. Drag it to where you want it and resize it so it roughly matches the space you need. Click the element to open its options, then choose to enter your code. Paste either your HTML snippet or the iframe code you got from a trusted provider. If you're using an iframe, you'll typically see a tag with a src attribute pointing to the content you want to show. If you're using plain HTML, it can include basic markup and styling. After pasting, apply or update the code so the editor can render a preview inside the box. If the content looks cut off, simply stretch the element vertically or widen it until everything is visible. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Only use code from sources you trust. Embedded content runs inside a sandbox for safety, and some scripts or interactive widgets may be limited. If your provider gives multiple embed options, pick the iframe version, as it's usually the most reliable in Wix. For better responsiveness, set the iframe's width to 100% where possible, and then adjust the element's height in the editor so it fits the tallest content you expect. If your embed requires a specific size, use the dimensions recommended by the provider. Check how the embed looks on different screen sizes by switching to the mobile view in the editor. You can resize or reposition the same element there without affecting the desktop layout. If you see blank space or scroll bars, tweak the box height until it feels natural. And remember, if the feature seems unavailable or the content won't display on your published site, verify that your site is on a paid plan. That's all it takes. Add, embed, and paste your HTML or iframe. With that, you can seamlessly incorporate maps, calendars, forms, videos, and more right inside your Wix pages.